You want bang frites?
No ham.
No ham. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, enjoy na enjoy sila doon. Oh, sana all.
We'll be doing that.
Yeah. Thursday, right? Thursday. Gagawin namin yan. Gusto nyo pang bang frites? Now na?
It's better than that.
Now na?
Oh,
Yeah, okay. So, yan. Na-slice ko na yung bang frites ni Kuya. Apat. Apat yan. Apat. How's your lunch? Good. Ayan, yung kay Kuya. Ayan, ito. So, ayun naman ni Kuyang ipahati. Open it, honey. Kuya, honey.
I don't want to fight. Thank you.
Welcome. Good, Baba? You're full. So, ito pala yung lunch ko. Alis sila. Okay, see ya, Zach. Love you too. Alis silang mag-aam. Oh. Huwag daw ako sasama, sabi ni Zach. So, yan yung chicken. May tira pa yung chicken. Meron tong avocado, kamatis, lettuce, and lime. And pinag-iisipan ko kung lalagyan ko siya ng mayo or lime. Tama na yung lime. Masarap niya. Yum. So, di ko na nilagyan siya guys ng mayo. Kasi masarap na siya na lime lang. Napaka-fresh ng lasa. Lime, salt, and pepper. Yun lang yung nilagay ko na seasoning. Isang lime. Sarap. Tapos mamaya magdi-dinner tayo sa may river. Yung avocado, matigas pa siya, pero pwede nang kainin. Hindi siya yung mapaklak. Ang init na sa labas. As in, sobrang init. Sabi ni Jan, mas mainit namin yung alas 3 hanggang alas 6. So, kainin ko muna to. Yung vlog natin guys, wala pa. Parang nasa bahay lang yung uploading ng vlog dito guys. Kagabi pa yun. Anong oras na? 12:49. Kaya muna ako. Naubos ko yung salad guys. So, ang sarap. Busog na busog ako. Simot sarap. Wala pa yung mag-aama. Yan. Tapos inuman ko ng malamig na tubig. Sarap nang matulog. Hintayin ko yung mag-aama ko. And balik yata kami sa pool. Ako, maliligo din ako. So, yes, maliligo tayo today sa pool. Mamaya. Ang tahimik. Tahimik na init kasi sobrang init. Tahimik na sila, oh. And may pag-gasibo dun. Oops, di nyo makita. Ayun. And yung ating ina-upload is, 60%. My God, ang tagal. 24 hours din ata dito ang pag-upload. After nito, i-upload ko yung part 2. Para bukas meron ulit tayo. And yung dessert ko ay eto, protein crisp. Ayan. So, meron siyang 20 grams na protein. So, ito yung ating dessert. Dito na sila. What's that? Ay, wow. We went shopping again.
Oh, I've got some good shirts for tomorrow night.
Wow.
I'll show you.
Okay.
This is the one I'm wearing tomorrow.
Green. Wow, Rusty. Surf brand yan, guys. Ayan, si Zach. Kuma kami ng ano. Yes. I like it, Zach. Kayo na talaga lagi nagsha-shopping ni Daddy. Wow.
$387.
Okay. $387 for just the two of you.
And Holly.
And Holly. What Holly got? Holly got another shirt. Di pa tapos si Holly mag-shopping. And that's it.
They're expensive.
Well, you have to look after your stuff. And what, yeah?
You're right, you got your stuff?
Yes. Did you say thank you to Daddy?
Yeah, and my tank top.
Oh, I like that one, yeah. Lucky kids. Thanks, Daddy.
What about mine?
Oh, wow, Zach. Both are good.
I'm trying.
Mom,
This is so
quick.
You got coffee, babe? I thought you just gonna get some stuff while you went shopping. Put in the fridge, yeah. Yan yung French onion dip. Dito na sila. You're happy, Zach? Daddy got you another clothes?
Do you want me to wear these tomorrow for your birthday?
Yeah. Whatever you want, Zach. Oh, you got the same color.
What?
Is that the same color on that top one that you got? Is it the same color?
Oh, I got the blue one.
Oh, blue one. Hey, Kuya.
This is your best?
Kuya, come here.
I want to use my freckle.
I like that, yeah.
Yeah.
A nice one, yeah.
One year.
You look so binata na, yeah.
Bianca niya.
What, yeah? What's that, yeah? Oh, okay. Strawberry?
Yup.
Gwapo ni Kuya, oh.
Siya,
yung dalawa mauunin na sa pool. Kami mamaya si Jan natulog muna natulog na siya. Siya, Kuya, 1 oras. Sunod kay mamaya. Dito na si Sak. Tulog pa rin si Jan. Pero babalik pa siya sa pool. Ayan, nagsa-sunscreen na ang ating holy girl. Ako magre-ready na rin ako. Change tayo ng pang-swimming.
Are you going swimming?
Yes.
Yes, Mom! We're done! Yeah!
Ito yung ating swimsuit na gagamitin today. Today. Ayan, hindi ko naman saan ko ito nabili. Capshi yata ito. And meron tayong cover up. Lalagay lang tayo ng huwag na to. Naglagay na ako ng sunscreen sa mukha. Katawan wala pa. It's hot. Ito yung aloe
Yeah,
vera.
Mom's gonna go swimming and I think she's gonna jump in. She has to.
I have to put a lot
Mom,
of
low
sunscreen.
battery.
I know, nagpo-flash ng ating battery.
How much time do you have to change it?
Today, 2 times already. 2 beses na nagpalit ng ano.
Yeah? You barely use your camera.
Huh?
You barely use your camera.
I know. Hindi naman siya talagang todo-todong gamit yung ating camera. Pero ang bilis man, malobat yung ating battery. Okay, Baba. Put me some at the back, please. Come on. Honey, you do it. May shirt din ako dito, oh.
This is how
Ang
Mom.
dalawa shirt, ha?
This is how my mom swims.
Na,
This is how my mom swims.
nalobat na ako, guys. Nagpalit na tayo ng battery. So, mag-cover up na lang tayo. Cover up. Bring my, Baba? My shorts? Just in case. Okay, we're ready. Okay, I forgot my hat. Kalimutan ko yung hat. Ang init. As in, grabe.
Yeah, the bottom.
Grabe ang init. As in, sobrang init. And then yung boys. Lagyan natin siyang sunscreen. And your face hat. Okay, ang layo nila na sa kabila.
Take that off. Where are you gonna put it?
Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a storm on my pillow. the sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend the day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Candy, saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go info. We can spend our day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin.
It's good, it's good, it's good.
You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend our day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. Have a Netflix marathon. Candy, saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go in full. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. Have a Netflix marathon. Candy, cheese, saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go info. We can spend all day in bed.
Someone must have broken your heart. It's only someone must have broken. It caused my heart to stop beating. Don't keep coming back to us. Keep fighting on. Don't trust the best love. Just can't believe it. Somehow I can't. Guess I have to say
Oh my God. Si Holly, ayaw niya pang umahon. Yung dalawa, naliligo na. May dinner pa kasi tayo. Sabi ni Jan, si Holly daw, isda. Ayaw nang umahon sa tubig. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Well, okay, Baba, let's go. Guys, dito na tayo sa car. Lahat na nakaligo. Obvious ba? Dito na tayo sa ating dinner. Ayan, fresh lahat. Anong oras na? What time is it? 6? What time is the dinner na?
6:15. I haven't booked the time.
You haven't? Ah, hindi pa siya pa-book?
Yeah,
Are you sure we're gonna get table?
I'm pretty sure. Tuesday night. Yeah, right. Go market time.
Ito na pala tayo, guys. May fence yung kanilang. Ito ba? Naalala nyo yan? Meron siguro silang dinidevelop dyan. Iinit. Ayan yung ating outfit, guys. Yan lang muna ang mapapakita ko sa inyo. Hindi tayo nagpabook, pero ayan, may table tayo dito, guys. Sa labas sana kasi sobrang init. Si Holly na parang nagkaroon siyang sunburn kahit anong lagay ko ng sunscreen. Ayan, sobrang init din kasi. Ayan. May nagbibentang tickets for raffle. Nag-order na dun si Jan ng dinner natin. And ayan, meron na siyang bread. Daming gutom sa. Si Kuya, ayan, meron na rin. Sa kanya, raspberry yung akin. Ayan, lemon lime. Oh, si Sok. Yung kay Holly, ayan na yung kanyang chicken schnitzel with gravy. Yung akin ay wedges. And Kilpatrick. So, eto pa lang yung dumating. Ang bilis ng order namin. Sarap. Ang sarap ng lemon lime. So good.
Is this like chili, Mom? I'm not eating too much.
Huh?
Where we going tomorrow? Are we gonna go that way?
Hindi daw kakain si Kuya bukas kasi isi-save niya yung belly niya for dinner, for my birthday.
How far is it?
Ang sarap.
15 minutes.
Kuya, so good. Oh no.
Sounds fresh, like.
Good na ba?
The bread.
Ay, ang bilis. Ito na guys.
Patrick, please, please.
Here please, thank you.
Here we are. And 2 chicken tenders.
Ayan yung chicken tender ni Kuya. Chicken tender, pero naglagay siya ng gravy. Yung gravy ni Holly. Ikat lang natin ito. And yung akin, ayan, 1 dozen na Kilpatrick. Tapos, ayan yung food natin. So, diyan kumain ng salad.
Might be a bit late.
Ayan yung garlic bread ni Johnny Boy.
Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young. Don't chase eyes
Like it, Baba?
when I'm too
Hold on. Very good.
never coming down. Never
What's on here?
What is that? What's that? Platter. You get cheese platters here?
Yabbies?
I'll go that way.
Is that Yabbies, honey?
No, it's more like
Hindi naman daw siya nag-order ng ganyan. Naubos natin yung Kilpatrick, guys. Ayan, ang sarap. Ang sarap din nito. Si Jan, tinanggal niya yung mashed potato kasi hindi niya gusto. Kasi parang napaka-wet. So, ang kinain niya is yung chips ni Holly at saka yan. Pero yung, yung gravy, yung
Zach,
sauce, okay
Zach,
naman
you want
daw.
your ice cream?
Mag-ice cream na sila. Tapos na tayo, guys. And si Jan, minamadali na tayo. Si Jan nagmamadali kasi manunod nga ng horse. Wala pala dito. Kaya tayo dito nag-dinner kasi dapat manunod tayo ng race ng horse kaso walay dito. So, punta kami somewhere. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Dito tayo. Tab. Nagtaya na si Jan. How is it? Third runner-up, ha? Third runner-up? Third, tapos kasali na sa grand final yung horse ni Dad. Tapos balik kami dito kasi may isang game pa, may isang race pa yung isang kabayo ni Dad. Dalawa kasi yung kabayo ni Dad. So 30 minutes pa. So walking muna kami. Nakabalik na pala kami dito and si Sakan doon nag-order siya ng Coke. Ayun siya. Na-stock! Oh my God.
Yeah, babes.
Dito sila namili ng damit. Pauwi na tayo. For me. Nandito na sila. Ayan na sila. Oh. Hi, Kat. Hi, Baba. Dudong. Dudong na puti. Si Dudong na brown. Ayan ang... Nagpalagay siya ng lotion. Buong katawan niya kasi nangangati raw siya. Tapos naligo rin pala siya pagdating namin dito, guys, after ng dinner. 9:56. Guys, i-end ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin. 9:56 na. Sikat, pinapatulog na si Elijah. So, see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Mag-edit siguro ako mamaya. We'll see.
Yeah. One step 달려와줘 like a little 나만 사랑한다고 가져왔던 떨림마저 저 바람결에 사라지는 것 저 푸른 바다 파란 하늘에 yeah 시원하게 뻗은 highway road 야자수 아래 우린 Cadillac drive Your shine Just take my hand You 어서 용기 내 기다리는데 왜 모르니 Yeah I'm ready One step 달려와줘 like a little 나만 사랑한다고 가져왔던 떨림마저 저 바람결에 사라지는 것 내려서 잠깐 걸을 거 Yeah 설레는 그말 눈부시게 빛난 모래 위 걸음 slow down 모든 게 좋아 Sunshine Just take my hand You 어서 용기 내 기다리는데 왜 모르니 Yeah I'm ready One step 달려와줘 like a little 나만 사랑한다고 가져왔던 떨림마저 저 바람결에 사라지는 것 그대와 내 let's see.